To begin the research log assignment, just click on the Library Research button. And you'll see this brings you to the LibGuide for Diagnostic Medical Sonography. For this assignment, you are going to focus on the article databases in the center of the page. We're going to begin our search with Academic Search Complete, but know that HealthSource, CINAHL, and Medline all search in exactly the same manner. When you click on the database, it's going to open and give you the search screen. So here we go, and I'm going to use the example of diabetes, and my focus is on treatment. So I'm typing those in and I'm going to hit search. Then you want to note in your research log that the original search came up with 55,356 hits, and so we need to begin to refine these. You refine your results in all of the databases by looking to the left-hand side of the screen. When I scroll down, I begin to see methods that I could limit it to. One, I could limit it to full text, knowing that I can print out and read all of the articles that are there. The next thing I might want to look at is the date. For most things that are medical, we typically only look at the last 5 years. So I would want to limit it from 2008 to 2014. And we'll see now I'm down to 16,000. As I scroll further down, I can look at the type of sources. So maybe I'm interested in academic journals or magazines. So if I'm interested in one type of periodical, I can click on that. So if I want to limit to journals. Again, we can note that I'm down to 14,303, and if I scroll down, the next thing that will really help focus, and this is a good thing to remember for all research papers that you need to do, is to use the subjects. So you can see if I click on diabetes, it's going to go through those 14,000 articles and tell me only 2,765 are really focused on diabetes. So using the subject heading will get you articles that are on point instead of things that are just mentioning it. As we scroll down again, I can hit the more and see if I can see anything else that will help me limit it. So I might be looking for treatment and see if that comes up. So here we go, treatment effectiveness might be helpful. So I can click on that and it will take me down. I can also look at the broad heading of just treatment and update those. So now it shows me I have 232 articles. So as your assignment asks you to get down to under 50, I can keep scrolling down to look to see what else I could limit it to. So if we look at the broad subject, I can see that there's treatment underneath that also. And that's going to go through again, and it ends up with 10 articles that are very focused on the treatment of diabetes. Once I get to that point, if I want to see any of the articles, I click on the title, and in here I see the author, the source. If I scroll down, the most important thing for time saving is the abstract. The abstract's the summary of the article, so I don't need to read the whole article before determining if this will be helpful for a paper or a project that I'm working on. Then you'll see if I scroll further down, the HTML shows me the actual text of the article. So there's the article. I can handle printing it from over at the right hand side. Note that if you print or even email to yourself, you can choose to have the APA citation sent to you. So whether printing or sending via email, make sure you drop down and take advantage of the citation being included. I want to see you note that there's one other way to access articles, and that's through the PDF. So some will be HTML like it was typed into Word, and some will be a PDF document. The PDF is a scanned copy of the article as it appeared in the magazine or journal. The only difference for this is if you want to print this article, you need to use the little printer inside of the program. Once you've refined down for this particular database, you want to go back to the article database tab and then select another database to try. So you're supposed to try a few different databases to see how the results differ. So you can see it looks exactly the same. So I just start my whole process over again. Diabetes, treatment, and then do the general search and start from there. You'll note how many you found. Notice because this is a health database, it's much more focused. So I have 16,000 to start with. Again, I can limit to full text and so on and so forth. Back at the article database, I want you to see that there's a help and cite your sources. So if you need assistance with this, notice you can chat with us, email, give us a holler on the phone, or come visit us at any of the campus libraries. Also, you'll see at the right-hand side is my contact information. So if you're looking for help from me, you can give me a phone call, you can email me, or you can stop by my office, and I'm happy to help you anytime. If you have any further questions, just give me a call or stop by or email, and I'm here to give you assistance. Or you can post a question to the discussion board within Blackboard and I'll answer you there. Good luck!